Three guys watch as they tear down crashing decorations plain sight of the camera. Some said they even stole sat here with six talking on their cell phones, laughing at destroying Christmas.